Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here today. I'm Catherine and today we are unboxing Birchbox. Now, I just this very minute took my Birchbox out of its shipping package. I haven't looked inside the box yet, I promise, but I destroyed that box trying to get it out. If you get Birchbox, you completely understand. It's a box that you have to pull tabs on 3 sides and mine wouldn't pull. I had to get a knife involved. It's destroyed. So I have this lovely holographic top Birchbox box that is very pretty this month. I am super thrilled with it. Let's get in here and see what we've got. Just in case you don't know, Birchbox is a 10, oh, you know what? It's going up. So in case you don't know, Birchbox has changed their pricing. It's been a $10 per month box for forever to compete with Ipsy. And now they have gone up to, if you've never subscribed before and you were to subscribe now, it is $15 per month. And if you do it for longer, of course, there are still discounts. But they say that they are going to make it worthwhile, to make it a better box. I'm not saying I don't believe them by any stretch. I'm not saying that. I am saying when they were a $10 box, I don't feel like they really competed with Ipsy. But as a $15 box, that only puts them $6 away from Boxycharm, which gives you 5 full-size products. I'm just saying, that puts it really up there. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the improvements go. I've put my link below if you have any interest in it. And let's get in here and see what I've got for April. Like I said, I love this box. I love the boxes. I've said that now with the Glossy Box that I just opened and that I miss it about Allure. We have our little pamphlet on top that will tell us everything that I got. Oh, and I think it says something on here. This is the beginning of a new Birchbox experience and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So, like it, hate it, we want to know. And they've given us a number to text them at, which is interesting. Now, I should talk about the choices. This was the first month that you had different choices. For the last few months, they've let you pick one of your items or one of a box that they've already curated. This month, they had 2 different curated boxes, or you could just pick one of your items, or you could be completely surprised. I picked curated box number 1. I don't see anything on here that says that's what I got, but that's what I selected. Honestly, I don't remember what was in it, so I don't even know if that's going to be true. I do know that curated box number 1 sold out, and that some people that wanted it couldn't get it. So we'll see what I've got. And we got a coupon, $15 off your next order if you spend $60. A small thanks for being a subscriber. Treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 shop order. Use code SAVE15 at checkout. So that sounds like something anybody could use. So just for the record, 15 off 60 at Birchbox. Yes, I think this is the one that I picked. So this was curated box number 1. I picked so I knew when I picked this what every product was going to be. I don't remember now. So let's get in here. Product number 1, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Cream. I selected this because I've actually tried it in the past. This is something that my daughter used and liked, and she actually was like, Mom, how are you not using this? And she gave me one of her samples, and I love it. It is a cute little bottle sample. This is the same one that you get at the Kiehl's counter. She got it from purchasing something, so I don't know that they just hand these out. But it actually lasts way longer than you think because it's an oil. And it only takes a couple of drops to do your whole face. But of course I'm showing you. It's just an oil and oh, it feels so good. And it smells lavendery. That's one of the ingredients in it. And that's where, oh, I do love it. I don't know why I don't use this every night. We do know why I don't use it every night. Because you try new things and you have so many things to try, but it doesn't irritate my skin at all. And in the winter, it's great to use that and then a moisturizer, but I just really enjoy it. It says this lightweight, readily absorbed elixir effectively restores skin's healthy appearance overnight, resulting in smoother, more radiant complexion by morning. Enriched with squalene, a botanical lipid similar to molecular structure to natural skin lipids. Evening primrose, rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Lavender, It just goes on and on. It's just, it says to use 2 to 3 drops on a freshly cleansed skin, avoiding the immediate eye area. I love it. I'm thrilled with it. The Birchbox paper says that full size is a $49, and that's true, but it's big. So the paper says, get your beauty sleep with this facial serum made with lavender essential oil and evening primrose oil to make your skin look refreshed by morning. And I find that to be true. So yay, I'm glad I got that. So glad I chose that. I also have a Dr. Jart Ceramiden cream. I think it's Dr. Jart that I got a Cicapair cream in. I don't even know what that means. But it's a green color correcting, and I've been using it and I like it very much. So this is a new introduction for me to the Dr. Jart line. And this is a cream packed with ceramides, making it a powerful hydrator that boosts skin's moisture retention. Well, that is very neat. It says, after cleansing, pat a nickel-sized amount into skin. Well, I have to tell you, a nickel-sized amount. This tiny little bottle isn't going to last long, but it's not sealed, so I will go ahead and squeeze a little out. I was going to say, if it was sealed, I was going to go ahead and wait, because I don't really need extra, as we move here into summer and the weather gets warmer, I don't really need extra moisture, but since it's already open, it doesn't have much smell at all, just kind of a clean, it's lotion. Doesn't feel like it added moisture. Did it say it added moisture or just locked it in? This is a powerful hydrator. Boosts skin's moisture retention. So it's kind of locking it in. That might be true because it feels like maybe it put a little bit of a coat on my hand, but it doesn't feel like it's not one of those wet hydrating feels. So very interesting. What's next? Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. And that is a nice, it says 0.85 fluid ounce. I don't know whether to edit that out or not. Okay, that's where my hand goes. And it says, this lightweight cream provides 10 benefits: moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, hold, manageability, strength, and protection from breakage, heat, and UV protection. Distribute evenly through damp hair, and a full size of this would be $29. Oh, the Dr. Jart, the full size is $48. Okay, well, I can always use extra things to give my hair extra strength, so yay for that. I also have, oh, how cute is this? It's a cute little Tarte lippy. So cute. It's like the full-size one, but teeny tiny. The color is Taken. Let's swatch it and see what we've got. I will for sure use this. It looks like a color I would wear. Oh, it's very pretty. Cute. It's got a cute little full, looks like a full-size doe foot on that tiny little stick. So cute. The color is fantastic. It looks kind of like the one I have on. It's a color that I will for sure wear. So that is awesome. And the Tartes are $20 full size. I know that before I even find it on here because I buy them because I like them. This is the Glossy Lip Paint. I like the liquid matte that dries down too, but I enjoy these also. It is a saturated pinky nude that glides on like gloss, yet has the color payoff of a lipstick. That is true, and it is indeed $20. Very neat. Next we have a roller lash, Benefit Roller Lash. I have not tried this yet. I'm not certain that I haven't received it in one of my other boxes, but it is a trial size of the Benefit Roller Lash. And the beauty of it is it has that bent, is that coming across? We'll just keep going like this until we, it's a full-size wand, but it's kind of bent. Whenever they show it in the beauty stores, it's always pink to make it stand out. But this says that the Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara is a $25 value when it's full size, and the mascara's brush is made with tiny soft hooks that instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. I have to tell you, I like the way that sounds. I think I might try that one next. I am right now using ColourPop and Better Than Sex and some Superhero. So when I get done with that project, I think I'll try that one next. And last but not least, we have the R&Co Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner. Cleansing Foam Conditioner Shampooing. I wonder if this is dry shampoo or whether it is something that I use in the shower. It's a nice sized container though. It says that it is 1.5 ounces. And the paper says, get nourished and softer hair with this 2-in-1 foam that cleanses and hydrates hair without weighing it down. Massage a small amount from roots to ends, then rinse. So it's an in-shower foaming product. Doesn't need to be shaken. Let me wipe off that lip gloss. I feel kind of proud. I remembered my wipe. I needed it a minute ago. I just did you'll notice if you see the same shirt, I just did my Boxycharm and I had that festival glitter from here to there and back. Oh, that comes out quick. I suspect I just used a day's worth. Oh, it is not foam. Nope, it comes out. It's cream. It's cream. I don't know if you can tell by looking at it, but it doesn't come out a foam. It comes out a cream. I don't know what happens when it gets wet, but it smells very nice. Kind of hate that I wasted a whole day's worth. I wish I could think of something to do with that. Okay, so that full-sized is $32. And that is it for my first curated Birchbox. And I will tell you this, I like it. It is absolutely better than any Birchbox I have ever received. So 2 thumbs up. We'll hold off before we get too excited. See, this is the thing. It's 2 thumbs up because I paid for a $10 box. I paid for several months in advance. So for me, this is still a $10 box. So it's killer. It was good. But tell me below, do you think it's a $15 box? Because if you signed up now, that's what this would be. And it's still tiny samples. You have the nice R&Co shampoo, the CC cream to make your hair stronger, the little roller lash, the little Tartist from Tarte Lippy, the little Dr. Jart Ceramidin, and the nice little Kiehl's oil. $15? Question mark? Let me know what you think. Thanks for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll see when I put more videos up. And I will look forward to hearing from you and what you think about this box. Bye, everybody. I know I just ended that video, and I hope you stuck around because I just went to wipe off the back of my hand, and it was clearly a cream before. It's totally turned into a foam. I'm just saying, I thought that was interesting information and I thought you should have it. Bye, everybody.